after you?
Mother, your Papa. Your Papa, the one that just shaved your hair outside. He's using your hair to perform rituals.
What?
Yes.
My hair! Jesus Christ. My hair! What are you doing with my hair? Look at this useless barber. I paid you to barb my hair. You have the guts to want to use my hairs for rituals? Really? Drop the pot. Now! Come on, drop the pot, they're mad.
Today marks the beginning of your downfall. And everything you've ever worked for will start to collapse today.
Okay, you think that they follow you play, Abi? You think that they follow you joke? At the count of 4, if you've not dropped this pot, I swear to God, your head go fall from your neck. 1, 2, Jesus! Hello? What? What do you mean my 2 warehouses are on fire? How? Wait. Hello, Alex? Let me call you back, please. I've just been told that my 2 warehouses are on fire. Yes. Hello? What? You can't be serious. My containers just sank in the sea? Oh my goodness. Chimo! I'm finished though! Hey! Jesus! No! Officer, what's going on? What can I do for you?
Miss Chetachi Omema.
Okay.
You're under arrest for human trafficking and organ harvesting. The boys have been caught and all of them confirmed that you sent them.
Officer, I think you're in the wrong place. I am not a kidnapper, I'm a businesswoman. Please.
Well, when we get to the station, we'll find that out.
What do you mean by when we get to the station? I just said I'm a businesswoman. Are you mad? Are you accusing me falsely? I am not a kidnapper. Please leave my house.
Take it easy. Whatever you say or do could be used against you.
My friend, get out from my house. Are you mad?
Move her out.
Madam,
Move her out.
let's go.
I will not leave this place. I will not. Show me your proof of arrest. Show it to me. 419.
Inspector, move her out.
Move me to where? Show me your proof of arrest. I'm not leaving my house.
Madam, don't let me use force on you.
Yeah, take her out.
Let's go.
Please move out.
Let's go.
Nonsense.
Move.
The young man is your boss around. Oh, okay. Yeah, hold it.
Young man, is there a problem?
Yes, I am Inspector Chidi Manuel, and he is Detective Charles. We are from the DSS. We are here for this lady.
For me? Again? What have I done?
We have 4 dead bodies in our office that their deaths align with her name, about kidnap and killing. So we are here to arrest her.
Me? I didn't do anything. I didn't do any of this. What is going on?
Young lady, hold it. Well, gentlemen, my name is John Mokaka. I'm from the Nigerian Police Force. And this young lady here has just been apprehended for organ harvesting and human trafficking.
Me?
We're taking her right now to our station.
This is not me.
Officer, you know the report
Hey!
station already. So I beg you allow us to let her follow us.
Wait. Hold on. Something is wrong somewhere. What is happening to me? I did not do any of this. I've never killed in my life before. Somebody is accusing me falsely somewhere. So somebody is behind this.
Hold it.
Don't tell me to hold it. You're accusing me.
Hold
Me to
it.
hold it. I've never killed in my life before. What is going on? Somebody is accusing me falsely somewhere.
So officer, move! Joining your queue.
Can wahala be this? I've never killed in my life before.
Move!
What is going on? Hey. I didn't do any of this. Officer, we didn't kill now.
Enter!
Yes, they carry madam like saying a hardened criminal. I don't understand.
I don't even know what is going on. Hey.
What you go do now?
Hey! Hey! What kind of a dream is this? Mama?
Hello? Chetachi? Someone is making an evil ritual with your hair. You have to be extremely careful.
Mama, same with me. I just had a nightmare. And it's the same revelation with yours. So my Baba is up to something evil?
You have to be extremely careful. Oh?
I'll be careful, Mama.
I saw everything you had collapsed. All you owned collapsed to the extent that you started begging for food to eat.
I'll be careful.
Please, you have to be very careful. Your hair is tied to your destiny. So be very careful where you shave it. That is the message. You hear?
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Baba.
Apana.
You don't come already.
You know as they be now. They na Saturday. Your madam dey inside.
Yes, she did. Okay. But you go there here, wait for her. She dey come.
One step forward, your head will be dangling on the floor. So you are planning to use my head for rituals, right?
Your hair is for rituals.
Do you know who you're working for? You're working for Chetachi no Ogidi, the daughter of the blind seer. Before my enemies plan against me, it will be revealed to me in my dream.
But madam, I have no such intentions towards you. You've been so good to me.
It is always the people we are nice to that turn around to hurt us. You have 30 seconds to leave this compound, else your head will fall on the floor. 30 seconds!
They go. Madam, not talk on again. Oh yeah. They go. He put me for everywhere. Oh, no, go allow that. Come again. I need to even cut your hair down. Get bad mind.
Repeat after me. Ego di n'ọgwụ. Ego di n'ọgwụ. Ego di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. This is the pot of wealth. Agujiegbe, the great god of money. My name is Ochendo Anayochukwu. I am tired of answering Anayo. In fact, I chose me Yochukwu. I need fast and quick money. I'm an ordinary barber. I barb people's hair. I want to stop. In fact, I want to barb money henceforth. You may go now, but we see. You go now, Sanford. You go now, Bahara. Yes. You have been doing this for others. I know you will do it for me. Yes. Now, go and open your shop. Get me the hair of a rich customer. Put it in this box. Do it quickly. Put it in this pot and bring it back to... Great one. My shop is located in a remote area, a local place. I do not have rich customers. Young man, if you are destined to be rich, rich customer will come. Put your hair in this pot and bring it to me. And then their riches, their wealth, and their star will come back to you. Now take it. Thank you, great one. Thank you. You can go. Ajaka.
Hey, you're changing my mind. I give me the phone. Don't be like this. I be this one alarm.
Hey, my guy, no, that's Jare. My clip are no good. As you can see, he say get the one that they try and prepare for the now.
Your clip are no good. On all the whole 4 clippers where you get. All the whole 4 clippers where you get.
What's happened?
No be 4 clippers you get.
You follow me get this shop?
No, sir.
You the parents for here?
Sorry, sir.
What's be your problem? Let me get this shop. Let me tell you say my clip are no good. I beg make you go next place, go back. Eh?
Nah, no go fit back for that place. Now here one back.
You say?
Now here one back, sir.
I beg come
No,
Come there, go next place now.
You never reach like that. Now you know the
Baba shop full everywhere. Go there, go back.
I don't
Now my
want
first
for that side.
You say?
I don't want my hair for that side.
You know, now here. I beg look at your father's from here. I beg. Come on, to government you go and that place now. Which country be this one? You won't carry your poverty come here can affect me. Which kind of nonsense be this? You go to my yao. You're modeling a big part of poverty. Bring bad luck to me. Hey, God I beg go. God I beg go. Eh? To be a man. To be a man is not a day job. Hey, ooh.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I want to barb my hair. Like carve my hair a little bit.
You are the right place. Please come and sit down.
Thank you. Hello. No, dear, I'm not at home. I left the house just now to barb my hair. My barber. My dear, don't worry. That is a gist for another day. When we see, we will talk about it. Alright, dear.
Mama, what is it again? What have you seen that is making you to cry like this?
What I'm seeing is not good though. I keep seeing your sister in a miserable situation.
God forbid.
Please call her for me again.
No, Mama, not again.
Call her.
I won't call her. You've already spoke with her this morning and told her about the vision you had. Calling her repeatedly will put fear in her. Please, stop crying as if someone died. Mama, stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
What I'm seeing about Edochie is not good at all.
Listen. Nothing is going to happen to my sister. She's not going to die.
I'm seeing about Edochie is not good at all.
Nothing will happen to her. She's okay. Stop crying. Nothing is going to happen to my sister. You have already gave her the revelation. And I believe she will be extremely careful. Nothing is going to happen to her. She's not going to die. Okay? Stop crying. She's not going to die. My sister will never die in Jesus' name.
Nice.
Okay. This is so nice.
I know. I can see it. Well carved.
Thank you.
Okay. Have this.
No, it's just 2,000 naira.
No. This is my own little way of appreciating entrepreneurs like you.
Hey! Dollar!
Dollars.
Dollar! I have never been paid in dollars before in my entire life. Hey! Thank you so... Sorry. I'm just so excited. Hey! Thank you. God will bless you. Anything you lay your hands on must... in fact, God will bless you more and more.
I
Thank
have
you.
to get going.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Let me help you. $100. Hey! Thank God, oh. In fact, God has answered my prayer. Where is the money the customer? Agayogu. Anu kife. Anu parangu de jono. Ike di nogu. 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 The deity that I serve. The destiny changer. It is time to change the destiny of Ochendo and Ayochukwu. Exchange the destiny of the owner of this hair and money to Ochendo and Ayochukwu. He say, let there be an instant change of destiny and star, destiny and glory to Anayochukwu. He say, I have spoken, and so shall it be.
My car is on fire.
It is done. The destiny has been exchanged. The events that will make her broke and miserable will begin to happen in her life right now. Now, you are not allowed to open any business. Yes. Spend from this money and it will never finish. Take it.
Great one, I don't understand. You mean I should not open any business? I should keep spending from this box. It will not finish. Yeah,
you are questioning the great gods. As long as you come back here every last day of the month to renew the ritual. If you fail to come back to renew the ritual any last day of any month, you will run mad and her destiny will return to her.
May the gods forbid. Even if I'm in America, I will take the next flight and come back and perform the ritual. I will always come. Thank you, Ezedibia.
You can go. Go and enjoy your wealth.
Thank you, Ezedibia. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Paul!
Madam.
Come. What is going on here? Where is that police on the person?
Miss Chetachi Omema, you're under arrest for the illegal importation of firearms into the country. I advise that you comply with us, because anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
I don't understand, officer. Officer, I think there's a mix-up somewhere. I import only electronic devices. I don't deal with firearms. Charles, what is going on? Eh?
I should be the one asking you that, madam. Why do you want to put me into trouble? You didn't tell me you included firearms in the container.
Charles, what are you saying? We've been doing business for over 5 years now. You know me. You know me so well. I only import electronic devices. I don't deal with ammunition. What are you talking about?
Madam, I advise that you comply with us amicably to avoid the use of force. Please, get into the vehicle.
But something is wrong somewhere. I don't deal with firearms for crying out loud. I'm a businesswoman.
You write it down.
Madam, enter the vehicle. Okay.
So you're one of the unruly, evil citizens that import firearms into this nation to destabilize it. Start talking. I need names. Who are your colleagues? Who do you work for? And who do you supply these firearms to?
I have no hand in the firearms you saw in my container. I don't know how they got there. You have to believe me.
So who put them there? Did I put them there? How did he get in your container?
How am I supposed to know? I'm a businesswoman. I only import electronic devices. Anything else found in my containers is not mine. I would like to speak to my lawyer.
I know your type. You only speak when you're finally in front of a judge. First thing tomorrow morning, you're going to be in court. You'll be used as a scapegoat for the rest of the citizens who think they can turn this nation into a banana republic.
You have to be very careful. Your hair is tied to your destiny. So be very careful where you shave it. That is the message. That is the message.
Officer! Officer! Officer, please, I need my phone. I need to make an urgent call, please. It's urgent. It's important, please. Officer! Officer! Officer!
Eh? What is it? Eh? Why are you shouting? What is it?
Officer, please. I need to make this call. It's very important to me. As a matter of fact, my life depends on it. I beg you with everything that you hold sacred to your heart. Please give me my phone. Let me make the call. I know who did this to me. Please.
I'm sorry. My boss did not give me the approval to allow you to make any secret calls.
Officer, it's not a secret call. You'll be here. You will listen to everything. I know who did this to me. I'm innocent. The person that did this to me is walking about freely and I'm here suffering. Just give me my phone. Let me make this call. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Please. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Pick your call, you bastard. Pick your call. What did you do to me? What did you use my hair for? Undo what you did to me now. This is Chetachi, the customer that carved her hair in your shop earlier today. Ever since I left your shop, misfortunes have been following me around. Accusations from different angles. As we speak, I'm in the police station, awaiting trials I know nothing about. My businesses have collapsed. I have lost everything. What did you fucking do to me? What did you use my hair for? Listen, I am not asking you to undo what you did to me. I am ordering you to undo what you did to me now. Because if I come out from this place, you will kiss the dust. I will track you and I will sniff life off you. Undo what you did to me, because if I come out, you'll be gone.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sudden billionaire, agenda one mama, Oliego Lukego, Odamuake, Italy,
Your son have arrived. Your son have arrived. You suffered for me. It is time for you to enjoy. Oh yeah.
All this one. So at last, more in this village, people will stop laughing at me. My son has made money. He has made money. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, Mob, Daloso. Hey!
Amen, no, brother. I'm so proud of you. Finally, our enemies have been put to shame. Those who thought that we'll never make it should come and see. Oh, they should come and see. Oh, see my brother now. See what the Lord has done.
Yes, my dear sister. So let me tell you something. There's no one in abject poverty that will be proud of him or herself.
One.
Anyone in abject poverty is not supposed to be proud of himself.
One.
It's only when you make money you can be proud of yourself.
Yes, brother.
So you can say that again anyway. Mama, this is just the beginning.
How?
You know that my friend, the one in Germany,
Hey.
he assured me that as long as I continue to do business with him with all honesty, that he will keep shipping cars to me to sell, keep the profits while I send the rest to him. So you can see, God is in action.
I'm telling you. Tell your friend, God will continue to bless him.
Amen.
He will never lack.
Amen.
God will bless him 100-fold,
Amen.
million-fold.
Amen.
Hey! Hey!
What is this question that I'm hearing? What's happening in the
Oh,
kingdom?
today is Imanu Chikwado. Chikwado Ubuoken. He's been crowned the new king of this land today.
This will not happen. What are you talking about? Think our kingship. Ma, please, if this is a joke, please stop it. Who is the person? Does he have a name? This kingship is for me. And for me alone, nobody can do anything about it. I came home here to take the mantle of leadership, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. They can't do it better than Asimo. Does he have a name? Let's go! Come on, let's go! Let's go!
Ochendo! I don't understand. Ochendo! Don't do anything stupid, bro! Hey!
Sudden billionaire, Ochendo one mama, Oliego Nukego, Odogu Wake, Italy Jabendimo, Welu Boutique, Oliego Nukego, Odogu Wake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Elisiego, money no be wala again, money no be his wala. If you carry to the moon, come, he go challenge.
Okay, I can hear you. Oh, kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu? Yeah. Ndiche kwezono. Chikwado, my son. As the traditional prime minister of Ohofia Kingdom, I hereby
What's the meaning of this nuisance you're constituting here? Is this how you are saying the coronation? Aggressively, with your voice.
Poor people and bad grammar. Ejo Yoruba achi obodo. Ejo Oyibo edozi obodo. Inwele ego ina-azo igwe. Look at you. I have not come to grace your coronation, but I've come to put an end to this one because it will not hold. I've come to stop it. Oh no, hand over the crown to me.
What is he saying? Eh? My son, do you understand what you are doing? In Ohofia Kingdom, no one will ever take the kingship by force. Chikwado is the chosen one, and he must be crowned as king.
He has been unchosen by me. Yes, and I overrule every decision you elders have made to crown this nincompoop a king. I am the next king of this great kingdom. Hand over the crown to me now. Hand it over.
That will never happen. Not under my watch.
Hand it over to me. You all.
Sudden billionaire, Ochendo one mama, Oliego Nukego, Odogu Wake, Italy Jabendimo, Welu Boutique, Oliego Nukego, Odogu Wake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Elisiego, money no be wala.
Do you know what you have just done? You have committed an abomination. How come? Why will you do that? Want to put us in trouble? What's the problem?
Mama, please. Take it easy on yourself. You know you have BP. Take it easy. Have you forgotten? No, tell me. Have you forgotten how these people denied my father the opportunity to be the next king of this kingdom? He was denied the opportunity by men that have power, money, and influence. It is payback time. Yes, it is time for me to reclaim the lost glory of our family.
Mama, I support brother I support you, brother. I was just 6 years old, but I could still remember how Papa cried like a baby when the kingship got stolen away from him. Mama, it is time for us to take back that which belongs to us. It is time, oh.
What do you know? You know what you just done? I don't want the others' trouble. I don't want them. I don't want their problem.
Mama, please, forget about the elders. Your son here have made money. When I talk about money, I talk about money that runs in foreign currencies. Abatago meego. Kamwapage. Onye jiego jimba. And as for those elders, they have no choice. They will crown me the next king in the coming days. They have no choice. I'm
not there. You understand me? What kind of thing is this now? What kind of thing is this?
I'll call you in, Mama.
Ha! Now wow!
But I don't mind Mama. Don't mind her.
This is my problem with Mama. She's just too sentimental.
I just tired.
Are we going to watch this happen? Are we going to sit here and fold our hands like nothing just happened? Uchendo has desecrated our land. He must be punished. Banished with his entire family.
Chikwado, calm down. Calm down. We are not cowards. We are from this Ohafia. We have people like him. Here is where money flows. We have people like him. And we know how to handle him. Just calm down.
Oh no. We must act fast. We must take action immediately. He must clear this land with 2 cows. And if he refuses to do it, he will not leave us with any choice than to banish him and his entire family.
You don't worry, Chekalo, don't worry. We are going to handle him. Don't worry.
I saw what you do with the crown. What happened?
It's alright. It's alright. We are going to.
Oh, just...
It's okay, it's okay.
Just relax. It's okay.
Relax. We are going to handle
It's okay.
We know his time. There's no problem.
It's ringing. Take it.
Not picking. She's not picking. I told you something has happened to her. Something bad has happened to my daughter.
Mama, please. Enough of this, your negative thoughts. She might be busy with work.
Which work? Busy with work since yesterday. Since yesterday.
Okay, Mama, let's wait till evening. She might call back. Okay, you know what? Let me call her. Let me call her. Let me call. I'm calling her.
You need to go to the city.
Mama, I'm calling her. Mama, she's not picking, oh. Let me call again. Jetta, pick. Pick your call. Mama, she's not picking, oh.
Go see, you have to go to the city.
No, let me still call her. Let me call her.
Hey! Hey! You have to go to the city. You have to go to the city. Don't do terrible. It's happened to my daughter.
This is your sister calling. Pick the call. Pick it. This might be the last time you speak with her. We are taking you to the court this morning. Yes, and definitely you will be convicted.
Hello, Kosi. How are you? You just picked the call. I've been busy with work. Sorry I've not been picking your calls. Sister, Mama has been so worried about you. Let me give her the phone.
Hello? Chetachi, are you okay?
Ma, I'm fine. I've just been busy with work. Everything is okay, alright? You don't need to worry about me.
Are you sure you are okay? Chetachi, can you come home this weekend? I want to see you.
Mama, it won't be possible, oh. I'll be traveling out for business, but when I come back, I'll see you.
I want to see you, my daughter.
Okay, Mama.
Sudden billionaire, Agenda one mama, Wazico nukego, Odogu wake, Ijalije bendimo, Walubutike, Wazico nukego, Odogu wake, Agenda de chop money, on the Lizzy, money no be wala again, money no be his wala. If you carry to the moon, come. He go challenge you with money. If you want challenge him, he's ever ready for you. Agenda is a money. Wazico nukego, sudden villainy.
I beg you. Do not pronounce judgment on my family. I beg you in the name of God. Speak on. We can sort this out. Speak on.
Man, there is nothing to sort out here. There is nothing to sort out. Your son has discredited this land. He committed abomination. Your son is going to clean this land, or else we banish your family.
Hey!
Oh no, you have gone mad. You are crazy. If not, you wouldn't come here and spill nonsense. Have you forgotten how the late Igwe robbed my father the opportunity of becoming the next king of this great kingdom? Did you banish his family? The answer is no, so you have no right. I've forgotten. You were part of the plan, and that was why the late Igwe rewarded you with the position of a prime minister. But you see this? You see this crown in my hands? I will become the next king of this kingdom, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Uchendo, you were still in your mother's womb when men started making money in this land. Uchendo, are you the first person to make money in this land? Uchendo, we are giving you 48 hours. 48 hours, Uchendo, to return that cow and the staff, or else you and your whole family will be banished from this land.
And that is our decision.
Spider! Burn this nonsense.
You dare not! Ochendo, you dare not!
Watch me as I do this.
Burn this!
The elders, speak on.
Gather all your soldiers. Gather everyone to banish my family, and that will end your existence. Yes.
Is that why you make money? Is that why you came back to this community to start war in your own land? What's the problem? What can I do?
There is a difference between fighting my own right and starting a war. If this is the thing I have to do, then let there be war. Yes.
Ochendo! Hey! If I slap you, get out from your sister. What is all this? What is all this for now?
Ochendo one mama, Wazico nukego, Odogu wake, Ijalije bendimo, Walubutike. Wazico nukego, Odogu wake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Lizzy, money no be wala again, money no be his wala. If you carry to the moon, come, he go challenge you with money. If you want challenge him, he's ever ready for you. Ochendo is a money.
Come on, go down.
Where is your nose?
Quiet. Please. You should come there.
Enough. I don't want to hear your voice. Do not want to hear your voice. By the time I am done with the both of you, in your next life, you will learn to behave well.
Hey! Please, nah. Please. Bring me back. Come on, go down.
Have you seen how you chiver like a child?
I'm a child here.
I will make sure I chop off your head and beat the beast in the forest. Yes, I said so.
Please, man. Please, be quiet now. Shut up, Johnson, man. Shh. I want to go home, please. Please, I want to go home. Cry, you please. Shh. Quiet!
Quiet! 20 years ago, you stole the mantle of kingship from my father because he was the nobody, but a palm wine tapper. You remember, right?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes, we remember.
Today, his son have grown into a great man. The man that single-handedly puts money to shame.
Yes, please. I want to go.
Today, I have come to reclaim what rightfully belonged to me. And you fools say no?
No.
You threatened to banish me and my family if I fail to return the crown and 2 cows. Shut up, I do not want to hear your voices.
Please, we will support you. Anything that you want, we will do it. We will do it. Please.
You will support me?
Yes.
We will support you.
Yes, we will support you. In short, you are our king. You are our king.
They will support you.
Yes.
Igwe. You are our king.
Shut up! A man held captive can promise anything, even his own life. And when released, he will go and do what is in his mind.
Don't shoot, please. Please, don't shoot. Please drop the gun. I will not run, please.
Come on, play with us.
You all are going to swear that you will crown me king.
Yes,
and support my reign as king of this land.
We will swear.
Ochendo, I will not swear. I will not swear. Why do you want to force yourself on the people? And you know that I will not swear.
No.
I will never swear.
Vigo!
Yes, boss!
Slice his throat.
Hey! Come on, go like
yeah.
Go like this.
Hey, go down.
Johnson, man.
Down. You mean
come
it?
on, come on.
Come on! Slice! I will swear! I will swear! I will swear! I will swear!
Oh no, but you know that I have short fuse. Do not provoke me because I can kill you here, right here and now, and nobody will know about it. In fact, no one will do anything about it.
I will swear, sir. I will swear. I will swear.
Have you all agreed to swear?
Yes. I will swear. We will swear.
You will swear an oath for me by touching this staff. If you go against it, then you all will die.
We will swear.
Swear!
Come on, what did you swear? We swear by this staff of office that we are going to crown you king and support your reign. If we go against it, we will die.
Did you hear that sound?
We heard it.
That shows that your voices have been heard and recorded by the oracle that I serve. If you all go against it, you all will die.
Sudden billionaire, agenda one mama, Oliego Nukego, Odoguake, Italy, Bendimo, Velubitike, Oliego Nukego, Odoguake, agenda de chop money, on the Lycée.
This is
Alex.
Gamaka.
Good. I give these drinks to special people. It doesn't come out like that.
It's good. Ochen. Agonaya.
I'm walking up.
You must be a blessing to this land.
I know.
Can I say that again?
You are the true son of your father. In fact, this kingdom needs men like you at the helm of affairs.
Well, now you're talking. I will transform this kingdom. I have the money, the resources, the connection to transform this kingdom to Dubai.
Okay, hey, Ekweme. Hey, you are right.
I don't know what your brother gave to these elders that made them change their mind. But we're not the ones that were here yesterday with pan fronts. That said your brother should return the crown with 2 cows, else they will banish us from this kingdom. So what are they doing here? Why is some change of mind?
Mama, what do you expect from hungry elders? All they worship is money. Just give them money and they will do anything you say.
Are you sure it's money? Because from what I'm seeing here now, what he gave them is more than money. Just like that, all of a sudden.
Just like that.
Ha! Well, let's go inside.
Your operation will be coming in 7 days. In 7 days, we need to crown you as soon as possible. So that you can move this kingdom forward.
Well, I provided everything. Right.
But there's something you must do. Yes. You must get a wife for yourself.
Exactly. What Ibe said is the truth. You cannot be crowned without a wife. So you have to get yourself a woman to marry before your coronation.
It's all right. You know, a man that has money has wives already. It's just for me to pinpoint one girl and the rest will be history.
Get
Yes. The girl will go and be giving Thanksgiving.
You know what's going on here?
You greedy elders. What's going on here? Watch your tongue, Chapman. Lizzy, is something wrong with your head? Is it the elders in council you are calling greedy? Watch your tongue. How dare you, Chikwado?
Well, I don't see you elders in council. What I see here, elders in shame. You sit here and dine with a man that desecrated our land.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up! You toothless bulldog. How did you get in here in the first place? What do you know about a man desecrating a land? Just imagine a poor rat telling a wealthy man, a man that has money, about desecrating a land. Are you insane? Something wrong with you? Now listen to me. I am the light of this community, the future of Ohofia kingdom. I beseech you, leave my compound now. Leave!
You have watched them, right? You've succeeded. I promise you just one thing. This will not stand. This conspiracy against myself and my family will not stand. I will stop you all. No man can take what rightfully belongs to me.
Mr. Man, go and make money and start wearing oversized clothes. Leave here, leave my compound. We shall see. What is this? We all shall see.
But go and find money.
Do you have the resources to run the affairs of this kingdom? Is something wrong with you? How do you want to survive this kingdom? You don't have any resources. Please, my elders, I'm really sorry about this interruption. Go. Poor people with your mentality. Please enjoy yourselves, please. Please go. Enjoy yourselves. If you are done with this one.
Hey, babe. Come on there. Come on there. Babe, please call me now. You won't keep me here. Come on there fast, babe. Babe, better please they call me. Just carry yourself to cover. Now, person tell you, babe, go to shoot gun. You know what you can't come here? Don't try am next time. Why you there they cry now? You don't go shoot gun, they cry. Which kind of gun they shoot? When we say for cricket, go ask about me. For River State cricket, you know what did happen? I don't shoot, I don't bite my hair. I buy enough. For cricket, I don't kill people like this. You know how many people I don't kill? See, no try am. I don't there 5 years. I still get 10 years. Why see they can't go? Now they cry, I beg, go your mind. Which can't go where they go shoot? People where they shoot gun, then they cry. What did they make you cry now? Oh, your mind, Uda.
What happened to my daughter? What are you saying? My daughter sent to jail?
I'm so sorry to also let you know, Mama, that her wealth and properties will be confiscated by the federal government for illegal importation of firearms.
Hey. Sorry. Oh my God. No, it can't be possible. Why? Mama, what are you trying to do? What is it? Mama. Mama, don't do this now. Mama, wake up. Stop this play now. Mama, wake up. Barrister, what's going on? Is she okay?
We have to take her to the hospital now. Fast. That's the only option.
What?
Let's go.
Mama.
Let's go.
Oh, no, Mama.
That's
Mama.
what we have to do now.
Mama, stop
now,
it. Mama, wake up.
Mama. Let's go.
Mama.
Let's go.
Why are you crying? Did anybody die? Listen, in 4 years' time, I'll be out of this prison. I know they've taken everything away from me. But when I come out, I know I'll bounce back. Okay? How is Mama? Eh?
Mama is gone. She couldn't bear the news that you lost your freedom and everything you have worked for.
She's no more. She's dead.
No. No. Mama cannot be dead. No!
Mama is gone.
No! No! No, Kosi! No! No! When they shut here.
Sister, stay home.
Kosi, my friend, why don't you follow me to my village? You cannot stay in this house alone. This house will only remind you pain and agony.
Look, I understand. But what would your mother say? You know things are very hard. Moving into your family will cause more expenses for your mother. I don't want that.
Kosi, my family you used to know is not the family that exists today. Do you know that my brother, Ochendo, came back with a huge amount of money?
Are you serious?
Yes, my brother is now a millionaire. And in a few days' time, he will be crowned the next king of our village.
Wow, this is good news.
Yes.
I'm so happy for your family, honestly.
That's why I want you to follow me to my village. And who knows, my brother might see you and like you. I want to marry you.
Ugo, stop. Don't tease me. Stop it.
I'm not teasing you. I want the best for you. I want you to bounce back on your feet and be that chef of course that I used to know.
All right, I've heard you. It's okay.
So is that a yes?
Yeah. Okay, yes. Ugo, thank you so much. You're more than a friend. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ochendo de chop money, on the Lizzy, money no be wala, money no be this wala. If you carry to the world, he go challenge you with money. If you want challenge, he's ever ready for you. Ochendo is a money.
I am worried. I need to get married as soon as possible. My coronation is in 6 days. I need to get married before then. Meanwhile, where is Ugoma? Where did she go to?
She went to the neighboring village to see her friend who lost her mom, so she'll be back.
Okay, that's good. At least she can bring her friends to me, so I can select one bride. Mama, I need to be fast about this.
Wait, forget. You see you. Okay.
Mama, good afternoon.
And welcome. I'm already talking to you.
Gods of our land, what manner of beauty is this? What's her name?
Her name is Kosi Sochukwu from the neighboring village.
And I will change your name from Kosi Sochukwu to Kosi So Ochendo. And your village will also experience change as well. You are now part of my kingdom. Mama, this is the flesh of my flesh, the blood of my blood.
The blood of your blood, Kwa.
I don't know how they say this thing, but you see this woman standing right here before me. We shall rule this kingdom together. Please take her inside and make her comfortable.
Ochendo they chop money.
Uchendo. Hey, is that how they fall in love? You just saw her and you're already in love with her. Organism.
Mama, I have no time. You know my coronation is this weekend. I need to get married as soon as possible. Mama, you see that girl? She's the one I want to get married to.
Uchendo.
I'm telling you, yes, I believe in love at first sight, Mama. You know, the moment she stepped her feet into this compound, something tells me that she's the one I've been waiting for. I mean, my missing rib. Mama, we have a wedding to plan. She is the girl. She is the one. My wife.
Ochendo. She is the one. Just like that.
Just like that, Mama.
He will challenge you. If you want challenge, he's ever ready. Ochendo is a man. Oliego nukego. Ochendo walupa waya. Go fellow la zuonio. You don't care what it will cost you.
I just lost my mother. My sister is in prison. I'm not ready for marriage right now. I don't want to marry.
This is actually the main reason you should marry and move on. Your sister have lost everything according to what you told me. Okay, now, imagine marrying into the royal family. Imagine marrying my brother, my rich brother. He can easily fix your sister up with one business once she's out from the prison. Kosi, just secure your future. I'm telling you this as my best friend. Kosi.
So you think this is the right thing to do?
It is not just the right thing. It is the best thing to do, my darling. My Achaluko. Masinachi.
Leave me.
In my brother's word, Kosi so Oshendo. All this guy that you're doing, just know that my brother is 10 over 10 minus nothing. My brother is handsome. Stop doing all this guy that you're doing. Come, let's go.
It is time to crown you because we believe in you. Before I crown you, do you have a title name for yourself, or do you want me to choose one for you?
Anybody that suffered the way I suffered to make money must have a title name by the side waiting. So you will call me Omelegi Fele, one of Ohofia Kingdom. The man that single-handedly puts money to shame. Put it on.
Oh God.
Go Amaka.
That's him, officer. The man that stole what rightfully belongs to me.
Why? What is the meaning of this? Have you gotten out?
I greet you, my king.
You say?
Thank you. This is the man you call criminal. Do you know what this man have done for the community? For an effective police work in this community, he built police station, a well-standard police station. Bought patrol van for an effective patrolling. He supported us with a solar energy. That's right. The same man we call a criminal.
Listen, officer, I have no business with what I have done for the community police. Arrest this man. He stole my crown.
Well, I mean, I don't expect you to have a business with the growth of this community. It clearly shows you don't have concern over our community. Officer, I'm not the one to be arrested. You're going to arrest this urchin. Yes. I mean, how can you come here and interrupt my coronation? Accuse me wrongly. Do you know it's called defamation of character? You can be jailed for it. Anyway, officer, you know what to do. Please arrest him.
Yes, I know what to do. I will take him to our station and let him provide an evidence that you really... Well, You are under arrest for a defamation of character. I would advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move!
Officer, I don't understand. This is pure madness.
Hey! I said move! Move!
Officer, this man.
I said move!
This man move from me.
Move! One day.
Okay now. This is not over yet, oh. This is not over yet. Look at me, Shishu. Please, let's give your correction.
By the power bestowed on me as the traditional Prime Minister of Ohofia Kingdom, I hereby crown you Omeregi Here, one of Ohofia Kingdom.
Hey.
This is the offer. You will use this to chase your enemies away. Wherever you are going. Have it.
Hey.
Like I said, I will
and so shall it be. So I am so happy. Henceforth, we will explore.
Son! I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Igwe.
My beautiful wife.
Lord.
Well, you know, this is a dream come true. I am elated by your supports, and I say thank you. Henceforth, our kingdom will experience fresh breath of air. We have everything. We have drinks, food, whatever it is. So let's go outside and meet the people of Ohofia. They are waiting for us to see their new king. We have a lot to drink, a lot to marry. Let's go out and marry. Oh? Are you gonna? No. Well,
Please, don't kill me, please. I beg you, please. Please don't kill me. Chitachi.
You ruined my life and everything that I've worked hard for. You will die the most painful death.
No. Ah! No!
My king, are you okay? What happened? What happened?
I had a terrible dream. I was set ablaze by one evil lady.
God forbid. Nothing is going to happen to my husband. I reject it in Jesus' name. Your phone? Who is calling you by this time?
Hello, who's this?
The woman you spiritually manipulated her life to be ruined so you can be blessed. Listen, your evil ritual has succeeded in sending me to jail. If I come out of this place, I will set you ablaze. I will burn your corpse. Bastard. Thank you for the phone.
You're welcome. But please take my hand first. When you're done with your jade hands, please don't take laws into your hands. Else, you'll come back here.
I don't care. Thanks for your advice anyway. You see Ochendo, if I come out of this place, I will track him and make sure I strangle him to death. I will set his corpse ablaze. I will burn him alive. If I come out of this place, Ochendo will pay for everything that he did to me. He will die a painful death. Do you know what he did to me? I lost my freedom because of him. My mother died because of him. I lost everything I've ever worked for because of Ochendo. If I come out of this place, he'll be gone. I don't mind coming back here the second time to spend the rest of my life. But Ochendo will see the beast in me when I come out of this place.
Now you dey talk. Now you dey talk. Now you dey talk. Ah! Officer, you come out here, make you see better thing.
My king, who called you on the phone? You have been worried since you answered that call.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes. Go ahead. Ask me.
If someone threatens to kill you, what would you do?
It is only a tree that will be threatened to be destroyed and still remain in the same position. I will do everything to defend myself.
Nice answer. Yes. But I will not do it your own way. If anyone threatens to kill me, or the whole of my existence, I will ambush, attack, and kill them one after the other before they come for me. I am coming.
Sudden Bilania, Ochendo Wanama, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Italy Jabendima, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Lycée, money na be wala again, money na be his wala, if you carry to the
Immediately after she made that call, I checked through my phone, the WhatsApp, and I find out that the phone belongs to you. Of course, I saw your picture in your uniform. I'm glad I called and you answered immediately.
It's okay, but what exactly did you do to that young lady? She keeps threatening to take your life as soon as she's out from jail. I'm sure you did something terrible to her.
That is not why we are here. We are here for business. Now listen, I want her dead before night falls.
What? What nonsense are you talking about? Do you want to put me into trouble?
You are already in trouble, alright? How much is your salary? Look at you. Poverty is dealing with you mercilessly. And I'm here to change your life. This. Take. The money here will change your life. So collect it and make do whatever you want to do with it. But that girl must not return from the jail alive. Good girl. She must not return alive.
You brought us food again. Yes. I told you, as long as you're here, I will feed you at least once in a day. Your colleague is even lucky to be in the same prison room with you. She will also benefit. Thank you. Have it. Enjoy your meal. And this is for you. Thank you, yeah? Alright. Thank you. See ya, Nyash! My king. Yes, it's me. It's done. Yes, I've served her the food. Not even an elephant will eat that food, will not collapse and die immediately. Yes, I will deposit her corpse by night. Yes. Thank you, my king. Thank you.
Where is this happening? I need a beans. I need a chop. If I eat this beans now, before you know, my belly will be torn. I will want the punch. I don't know verse here. Give me your rice. Collect my beans here. I beg you. Very cheap. Thank you. Better person. Now I go soon come out here, yeah? Go soon come out here.
Are you okay? Nancy? Your stomach, sorry. Drink water now. Drink water. Nancy, are you okay? Hey, Nancy! Nancy, drink water. Nancy, drink water. Drink water. Nancy! 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 Somebody help! Nancy! Nancy! Jesus Christ. Nancy! 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 Somebody help! What to her.
Who sent you? Who paid you to kill me?
Leave my shirt. I don't know what you're talking about. Leave my shirt.
Someone paid you to kill me, right? He called you back and then bribed you to come and kill me. In it! Listen, you're a disgrace to womanhood. You're a disgrace to the entire nation. The whole world will get to know about you.
Hey, young woman, you better lower your voice before you attract everybody with your shouting. Listen, let me tell you, if you do anything funny and it affects my job, I swear I will make sure you die in this prison yard. Idiot.
Fight, I no go look back at all. Otalomalo ni consorancy. I will fight, I no go look back at all. Otalomalo ni consorancy. My destiny.
This is where we buried your money.
My destiny, if I'm you think you can swap it, take it, run away with it.
Mama, this wouldn't have happened to you if what happened to me didn't happen to me. You died because that evil man ruined my life. But I swear on your grave today, he must pay for it. I will not let this slide, even if it's the last thing I do on planet Earth. He must pay for it. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
I will show you what I can do. I be woman, but I want the one you can be. I be woman, but I want the one you can be. My coming back will be disastrous. Wait for me, Ochendo. I will fight, I not go look back at all. Otalomalo Nico Soronsi. I will fight.
Sister, Kosi.
So you're back. Welcome home. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm more happy to see you. I heard you're now married to a king in a neighboring village.
Yes, sister. I tried coming to tell you at the prison, but they restricted me. That's why I didn't tell you. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, I understand. How is your husband?
He's very fine. He can't wait to see you. Sister, don't worry. Everything will be fine. You are going to go back to your wealth and begin to do well again. Okay?
Kosi, that's the spirit. Chetachi, this is time for you to dust yourself up and continue your life. Not the vow you just made by your mother's grave that will hunt the man and kill him. No. I'm begging you, please. Do not do anything that will send you back to the prison. I'm begging you, my daughter.
That evil man is out there, squandering the money he got by switching my juicy destiny to his dry one. But I swear today, I swear with my life, he must pay for it. I will not let this slide, never. I'm coming for him.
Sister, Uncle is right. There is no need for this. I need to take you to the palace now. My husband is waiting for you. In fact, he promised to open up a business for you. Let's go to the palace.
Look at how beautiful you look.
Thank you, sister.
That man is taking good care of you. God bless him. I can't wait to see the man that has won my sister's heart.
Let's go. Let's go. Sister, welcome to my home. Make yourself comfortable. Let me call the maid to come and serve you.
This money, don't do this one, madam. Your house fine, no?
Thank you.
This your husband, Paul.
Nicely.
He has money. From exterior to interior. Everything, Paul. He gang.
Sister, wake up. Ifunanya! Ifunanya! My queen. Come.
Amaka. This is your husband?
Yes, my queen. Yes, sister. That's my husband.
This bastard is your husband?
I beg your pardon. What are you talking about my husband?
He ruined my life, this idiot! And I've been searching for him.
Sister, maybe you are mistaking my husband for another person.
So I don't get eyes again. Is this the Ochendo, the Baba? Eh?
Sister, you don't know my husband. Eh? My husband is the most handsome man, soft-spoken, very nice.
Ma. I'll be going to the village. Since I left there, I don't know how my goats is faring. My goats, my fowl, even my dogs, no one is feeding them.
Mama, leave the goats there.
I should leave the goats?
Yes.
My goats. I should leave them. Well, I'll go to the village.
You are stressing yourself.
It's no stress.
The king is dead.
What?
The visitor just killed him.
What am I talking about? Talk now.
I'm talking nonsense, my queen. The visitor just killed him. He's dead.
My brother.
Yes, ma.
I need to kill him.
Sister,
Leave me alone. What have you done to my son? What have you done to my son? What have you done? Your son ruined my life. I lost my freedom because of your son. I lost my mother, my wealth because of him. He must pay for it. He must pay for it. He deserves to die.
What did you do to my brother? Hey? You bastard! What have you done to my brother? What did you do? God! Sister! Get up! Oh my God! Sister! Don't let her escape! You lunatic! I can see you came back from prison with a damaged brain. But I'm going to help you cure that madness of yours. Like I said, pray. Pray he survives. Pray nothing happens to my brother. If not, the vultures will feed on your intestines.
I'll be the happiest woman on earth if your brother dies today. After all, I have nothing to lose. He has ruined everything for me. I went to jail for a crime I did not commit. Your brother deserves to die. His blood must be spilled on planet Earth. Have you asked your brother how he made the money he has?
My brother, King Ochendo, has a friend in Germany that helped change his life. My brother has nothing to do with your downfall. Like I said, pray. Pray nothing happened to my brother. If not, the vultures will feed on your intestines.
Small girl, the reason you're still standing before me and your nose is not bleeding is because I'm tied up. Toothless bulldogs hovers around to back because the lion is locked up.
I will fight, fight, I don't go look back at all. All Talomalo Nico Sorancy. My destiny. I can rock my destiny. If I'm you think you can swap it?
Well, I called this meeting not because I'm a coward that lacks the will, the power and authority to keep Chetachi where she deserves to be, but because I'm a man of peace, a custodian of our culture. So I've decided to forgive you for mistaking me for someone else, and also to find a way to support you and make you bounce back in life.
I'm not a mad woman. Neither am I drunk to be mistaking you for someone else. I barbed my hair in your barbing shop years ago. After then, misfortune started befalling me. Ochendo, you know what happened. You and I know the truth. You know you are responsible for my misfortune.
That things fall apart with your life after coming to my shop to barb your hair doesn't mean I'm responsible for your misfortune. What are you talking about? You better calm down so I can help you.
Help me from my money, from my star, from my destiny that you exchanged. Uchendu, you were a poor, wretched barber. How did you make your millions overnight? Tell them!
Young lady, if you must know, my friend in Germany changed my life. He is the one sending cars to me to sell in this city. Yes, I do not have a hand in your misfortune. Can't you understand?
You're a blunted liar. You're a fool. You know, people like you only confess when they are being tortured. And I'm giving you 24 hours to undo what you did to me. 24 hours to return my destiny, my star, my glory back to me. Else, your head will leave your shoulder.
Dare threaten my brother. Have you gone mad?
You will see madness if in 24 hours my destiny is not returned to me. 24 hours! Undo my destiny, else your blood will spill. Sister, come back, sister.
I will fight, fight, I don't go look back at all. All Talomalo Nico Sorancy. My destiny. I can rock my destiny. If I'm you think you can swap it, take it, run away with it.
Papa, I swear to God, if Ochendo doesn't break that yoke, I will burn him alive. I will kill him and hand myself over to the police. He not gonna use my star. He not gonna use my glory. I'm not gonna grieve, Papa. He has to return it.
You mean Kosi's husband is the man you were talking about? Are you really sure? You might be mistaking him for someone else. And the man could be innocent of all this. My daughter.
Papa, 4 years ago, Ochendo was just an ordinary barber. All of a sudden, he has made so much money and become a king. I go spill the blood. I know well, no. Make it go ask question. You don't whine.
And what is your sister talking about this?
What do you expect a girl that is blindly and stupidly in love to say? Papa, your daughter will become a widow very soon. Because I go buy a husband. If he doesn't return my destiny, my glory, and my star back to me, he might go there. Because by the time I'm done with him, dead body go surplus. Blood go flow, Papa. I know well, no. Make it go ask question.
Please.
I think my sister is frustrated and depressed. All she needs is enough money to start something, and all this will stop. My husband, please, let's settle her.
Does that girl, that girl you call your sister, does she look like someone that wants peace? No, tell me. That was the primary reason why I called that meeting instead. She left me with a threat.
This is a woman who lost her wealth.
Is it my fault?
It's not your fault, but she lost her freedom and mother after the prophecy was revealed to her that someone wants to take her hair for a money ritual. And she's thinking you're the one, because your shop was the last place she barbed her hair. Let's just not blame her that much.
The truth here is that if everyone that comes to my shop claims this kind of thing, what do you think?
For real?
No, what do you think? But, yes, I heard you. But what exactly do you want me to do? Because we need peace. It's unheard of that I am fighting with my in-laws. He doesn't speak well of me as a king.
My king. Thank you, my husband. I will take you to her. Just give her enough money that will start something meaningful for her. All this will stop.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. It will.
All right, I will do it. But please always have it at the back of your mind that I am not responsible for whatever thing that she is going through.
I believe you. I believe you.
I will do it.
The 24 hours I gave to you will elapse tonight. Have you come to undo what you did to me? Have you come to break the yoke?
Sister, please, calm down and listen to my husband.
No go shut up your mouth. Your eyes go clear very soon. I ask you again, Uchendo. Have you come to break the yoke?
Well, I've come to have a decent conversation with you. You have every right to suspect that I ruined your life. Misfortune befell you after I barbed your hair. But it's all right. You have every reason to start again. This is $5,000. Use this money and start your life again. I'll support you in full.
Let's say you dey mad. Bomb dey your head. There is nothing I lay my hands on that will be successful. You stole my star. You stole my destiny. Return them back to me. I don't need your fucking money.
Sister, what has come over you? Why are you making things difficult for everyone here? My husband has explained to you repeatedly that he's not the one responsible for your downfall. Now he wants to help you. Is this how you're going to thank him?
If you talk again. What did I put for here? Eh? I go blow your eye, eh? Your nose go fall from your face. Let's say you dey mad. Thank him for what? For manipulating me and sending me to jail. Thank him for ruining everything I have worked out for, including Mama. Mama died because of this idiot. I should thank him. Are you this silly?
Sister, my husband is not responsible for your downfall. You better take this money and move on with your life.
Come out from this place. Come out from this place and they mad. Get out from here! Who be this chingo where they my front? Now I'm rich.
Let the gods bear me witness that I've come to make peace with you, but you rejected my peace offer. I dare you, do your worst. If you ever cross my path, I shall crush you mercilessly.
Let the gods bear me witness that your family will mourn you. You see you could enter inside grave 6 feet below. It's not a threat, it's a promise.
Sister, you better not try anything stupid.
You better. You're mad. You're mad.
I don't go look back at all. My destiny.
I swear on my life, if I see you here again, I go burn you alive. Come on, this thing from here. Put a fire on now.
If you think you can swap it, take it, run away with it. I will find you. I will find you. Take you high. I must find you. I will find you. Take you high. Now behind you. I will find you. Take you down. I'm coming for you. I will find you. Take you down. I'm coming for you. I will find you. Take you down.
Have it. Everything you need to know about this job is inside this envelope. Make sure you carry out this job tonight. Leave no traces. Make sure she did not see tomorrow morning.
When am I getting my balance?
When you break the news to me that she is dead.
You have nothing to worry about. As long as she sleeps, she will never wake up again.
Do a clean job. What is the meaning of this? Who brought these cups to this palace?
I think my majesty.
I don't understand. Why will someone drop a corpse in the palace? For what exactly?
Do you know anything about it?
No. I have never seen this person all my life.
But why would someone kill a young man and drop a corpse?
Where are the guards? Call the guards immediately!
I can't bear this anymore. I can't bear this body. lost everything I worked for to the end of wicked ones. I must take what belongs to me back. I must take it. I must take a more. I must take what belongs to me back. I must take a more. My destiny. I must take what belongs to me swept. I must take a more. My destiny. I must take what belongs to me back. I must take a more.
You're welcome.
Please, I'm so sorry. My name is Amaka Okemwa, and I am looking for someone I once worked for in the city.
And who is the person?
Her name is Chetaji. I heard she's out from jail and has returned to the village. Please, this is her photo.
What do you say your name is again?
My name is Amaka, sir, and the woman in that photo was my boss before things went wrong in her life. Please, do you know her? I really need to see her, sir.
Have it. Bien. Follow me.
Thank you, sir.
This battle is by fire, by force. I must take what belongs to me back. I must take it. I must take a more.
Amaka, what's going on? Why are you dressed like this? See, look at your hair. What's happening?
Nothing happened, ma. I went back to my village when you were arrested. And the gods picked me to serve them. So when I heard that you were out of jail, I said, no, I must come and help you to restore your stolen glory. Ma, please, we must break the yoke. I must do everything possible for you to regain your stolen glory. You're a good woman. So this is my only way to show appreciation to you, please.
Amaka, you shouldn't have bothered coming. By this time tomorrow, the person that took my star and my glory will be dead. I have no option left than to kill him.
No, ma, please. Killing him will not bring back your star. Killing him will not bring back your stolen glory. I have a best way we can go about this. But first, you need to be fortified for the mission.
I will fight.
You will get inside this pot and you'll be cooked for 1 hour. Oh, Killy! Hey, Killy! Lifasi, Harry. Lifasi, Harry. Lifasi, Harry. Yes, mother. Yes, mother. Speak to me. Yes, mother. I can feel your presence.
Hold it there. No, we can't continue with this. My daughter cannot continue with this. It's too dangerous. Chetechi.
Father, it is better to die for something than to live for nothing. What is life without my star? What is life without my glory? What is life without my destiny? I will do it. Continue.
Yes, I can feel your presence, mother. Thank you. Prasi.
She is coming with fire and brimstone. Her anger is furious and windy. If care is not taken, you will not survive this. I will survive. I cannot be defeated when I have someone like you as my spiritual leader. Guide me through. You must be fortified for the battle ahead. Otendo, you will pass the night in a coffin. What? I will pass the night in a coffin? That is the only way to make you indestructible. If you go home tonight without this fortification, she will kill you like a rat. Are you ready to be fortified? I am ready. I am ready to use my soul as a collateral to protect my wealth that I have acquired. I am ready. Now get ready to be fortified.
Leprosy forever. Leprosy.
Hey, quiet! Have you seen it? Have you seen why I did not want her to go into this pot? How can you cook a human being in this pot and you expect the person to survive? You see, you've killed my daughter. Amaka, you've killed my daughter!
Down, old man. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Where is she?
I said calm down. What you don't know is bigger than you. She's coming.
Who is coming?
She's coming. She's coming.
Who?
She's coming.
Hey, my daughter is back. Yul is back. Oh.
How do I break the yoke?
Congratulations for a successful fortification. You are now indestructible. No harm can come near you. You can now do wonders. There is a box of money in his room. No matter how he spends his money, it doubles. It never gets finished. Get the box and leave the rest to me.
What did they do this one? You dey mad? Make I go get box. So now because of ordinary box, you fortify me. You cook me, I enter fire because of box. What in the shop now? You don't tell me say make I go collect in manhood. You don't tell me make I collect in brocos, make I collect in head. Now box? Look woman, I need his blood for my glory to be restored. I need him to die. Which one be box? If not because of box, you for go collect them now. What in the shop now? So I just suffer for nothing because of ordinary box. No now. No for now.
Who is there?
Move! Get up! Move! Hey! You woman, get up! Stand up! Move!
Don't kill me, Biko.
Where's your son? Your son is a murderer. He stole my star. He's a bastard. I have come for him. Where is he?
He's not around. He's not around.
Get up! Up! Get up! Come on! Get up! 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 Move! Move!
My wife!
Move!
My wife!
I'm mad!
My wife, go!
Move!
Hello, sis.
Hello, brother. There's fire on the mountain. Shatashi is here with a gun. She just killed one of the guards. Please come. We need help.
What? What? Alright, I'm coming back immediately. Spark! Reverse! Okay, sir, Take me back!
Alright, sir.
My king, what is it?
Your sister, your stupid sister killed one of my bodyguards. She brought war to my doorstep, and I shall give her war!
Oh my God. What has come over my sister? Why is she doing this? Hi. God.
Spark!
Okay.
Sir? Drive!
Okay. Alright, sir.
Is this what you have turned yourself into? A bloody armed robber.
When a thief breaks into your shop and cuts away with your goods, it would be stupid to call you an armed robber for chasing after the thief with a broken bottle. I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me. My star must be restored. The yoke must be broken.
I will not say this again. Drop this briefcase now, or I will waste you.
Sister, what has come over you? So you rejected the money my husband gave to you only for you to come here to rob?
What I'm holding is not just money. This is a spiritual box that will be used to restore my star. He knows what I'm talking about.
I do not know what you're talking about. Drop the briefcase now!
I will not.
I will bury you alive! You don't tell your sister to release that box! Huh?
Leave her alone! Leave her alone! She didn't take the box now! She didn't take the box! By the way, how much is in that box I want to kill away because of it? How much?
That box means a lot to me. It means everything. I mean, my existence. Alright? I would go broke if that box failed to return.
Ochendo, so what her sister said is true? That you use her future, that you use her destiny. Hey, Ochendo, why?
Even if it is true, will she be the first person to be used for one ritual? What are you talking about? Is everybody mad in this house?
What's next?
We'll start the ritual of restoring your star back to you at midnight. We'll set this box ablaze in the middle of the night as we invoke your star to come back to you. The yoke must be broken.
I just want to bounce back. I want to go back to the way I used to be.
You are already in the process that leads to your restoration. Okay. By this time tomorrow, when we must have done the rituals, things will begin to fall in places for you.
Why do you want to do this to me? What have I ever done to deserve this from you? So my sister was right. You are the one who ruined her life. Ochendo, why are you this wicked?
You will see the real wickedness if your sister does not bring back my box. I cannot go back to poverty. I've tasted wealth, power, and influence. So going back to poverty is a taboo. Now, you are going to talk to your sister in a tone that she would understand. Talk to her. Tell her to bring back my box. Else, I will smash your head on the street with a bullet.
Sister, this is where I am now. I am about to be killed because of the box you took away. Please, when you see this video, call my husband and return the box to him. I don't want to die. Please, I beg in the name of God. Sister, help me. Please, I beg in the name of God. Sister, help me.
Daddy, there's a big problem. Oh!
What is it? What is it?
Papa, sister's life is in danger.
Eh?
Yes, this was a video sent to my handset.
Let me see the video.
Yes, by an unknown number.
This is where I am now. I am about to be killed because of the
This bastard has kidnapped my sister.
When you see this video, call my husband.
I will wipe out his entire family. He will come home and meet their corpses.
No. You have to use wisdom, not action this time. He has your sister. Play by his rules and get your sister back.
The number is calling. It's calling again.
What have you done to my sister, you bastard, you nincompoop, you fool?
Not yet. If you fail to bring back my box, I will kill her and send her corpse to you. I'll give you just 2 hours. 2 hours and she will be dead.
Listen, if anything happens to my sister, if anything happens to a strand of her hair, I swear to God, your entire family will go extinct.
I dare you. In fact, I double dare you to do that. I'm giving you just 2 hours. 2 hours. You will never see your sister again.
Please.
Cry, baby. You can only be free if your sister returns my box.
He needs the box in the next 1 hour.
Then take it back to him and bring your sister.
You say?
Take the box to him.
You don't whine. If I carry this box, go give him. What about my glory? What did you put to my glory? Wait, oh, do you know what it means to lose a glory? Eh? Because you never lose glory before. You just stand, wear white, then me say, take the box to him. You know what thing goes up, eh? If anything will happen to my sister, make it happen to them. I want to check something. I'm not going to carry this box, give him. I want my glory to be secured. Ah, Abi, you like give me? You're not sincere with me, right? You don't whine me? Don't take me play, I'm not well, oh. Go ask question. I think that's up now.
There are many ways to kill a rat. Take it back to him and bring your sister.
When a child inserts his hand in his anus, he will not go asking his mother why his hand is smelling because he brought it upon himself. You crossed the line the day you took up a fight with me.
Ignorance is indeed a disease. You still see this as a battle? I do not see this as a battle. I see it as a war that will consume you very soon. Where is my sister?
Where is my box?
Where is my sister?
You took my box first, and I kidnapped your sister, so you have to provide that box first. Wait. Let me confirm if this is the real box. What is the real one? That's the real box. Bring her sister. Next time, you are only a child. You took a fight against me? I am a lion. A lion.
And we fight, fight, I don't go look back at all. All Talomalo conspiracy. My destiny. I can rock my destiny. If I'm
Great one. I've come to keep this box here with you. It's no longer safe in my house. I will come time to time to collect money and spend. As for that wicked girl, that evil girl, I will do everything within my power to see that I send her to the land beyond.
Ochendo, you need to be very careful. She's coming back with another plan to bring you down. You know she can never relent until she gets her star back.
She will never get her star back. I cannot go back to poverty, no. I have tried to help her and she rejected all my offer. She brought war to my doorstep and I will give her war. Yes, I can't go back to poverty. Please stop saying that.
Very well then. You know you are renewing your ritual in the next 2 days. You must be here. And you know the danger of not renewing your ritual at month end. You will run mad and she will have a star restored.
Please stop talking about running mad. I don't want to run mad. I know. In the next 2 days I shall be here to renew my ritual. I have to go now.
Very well.
Sister, I'm sorry for doubting you. I should have believed you when you said Ochendo was the one that ruled your life. I was blindfolded by love. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's only natural to blindly defend somebody when you are in love with that person. The most important thing is you are out of that cursed marriage. My star will be back. That yoke will be broken.
Can Ochendo be this wicked? A man I gave everything. My heart, my body and soul.
He's a beast. He is a monster. He will die a painful death. I will make sure his blood spills on this soil. Even if it's the last thing I do on planet Earth, I will do it.
I must take what's been asked to be swept. I must take a move. My destiny. I must take what's been asked to be back. I must take a move. Nobody seems to understand me, but I must fight to take back what you done.
Baba,
I must fight.
I have been trying to call you since, but you deliberately ignored my calls. I don't like that. What am I hearing? You left the palace and come here to live like a commoner. Why?
Ochendo, what is wrong in living like a commoner? I prefer to live like a commoner than to live like a queen with a cursed crown.
Mama, everything is wrong with your decision. What are you talking about? I am the king of this great kingdom, and of course that should make you more happy. This is what every mother prays for. To see their son become successful in life, irrespective of where the money is coming from.
Ochendo, I care. I am not like every mother out there. I am Okamaka. My mother trained me well. The young lady, you useless her life to make money is someone's child. And I will not be happy if such is done to my daughter. Yekwa Monte, listen and listen attentively. Go and undo whatever you have done to that lady, else you have yourself to blame.
Mama, these are baseless accusations. I mean, remember, I'm the king of...
I will never be a partner to a crime. I come here. Biakulu, give me facts that you are the king. Nonsense king. You made the money from someone else's destiny. Can you imagine? Onyala, I am not like every mother. Like I said, I am Okamaka. You don't do that to my own child.
Sudden billionaire, Ochendo one mama, Oliago Nukego, Odogu wake, Ijali Jabendimo, Welu boutique, Oliago Nukego, Odogu wake, Ochendo de chop money.
What are you saying? How do we get things done?
If you can find a way to stop him from renewing the ritual tomorrow evening, your star will be restored.
He is spiritually fortified. Guns cannot bring him down. How do I stop him from renewing the ritual tomorrow?
Find a way to get him out of the palace. Keep him in your custody for 24 hours. If he doesn't renew the rituals by 4 p.m., he will run mad, and your star and glory will automatically be restored. Find a way to stop him from renewing the rituals.
Eze Dibia. Eze Dibia. Eze Dibia. A man born of a woman stole my destiny, my star and my glory. With your assistance, I want you to aid me to restore all that I have lost. Ezedibia. 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 I want him out of that palace tonight. It is only the dead that can meet one with the face of another. Meet him with your face and lure him to this place. I will take it up from there.
Great one. I'm surprised to see you. We must renew your ritual this night. The young girl has an underground plan to give you a surprise attack tomorrow morning. So, we must renew your ritual this night.
Thank you, Great One. Thank you for this information. And I'm grateful for looking out for me.
You're welcome, my son. Come with me.
Great One. This is not the road to your shrine. Where are we going to?
We are going to the cemetery, where a ritual will be renewed.
The ritual is always renewed in your shrine and not the cemetery. What is going on?
You ask too many questions. Follow me.
So is it?
Sit on the grave. This is a new way of renewing your ritual.
Return to your abode, Ezedibia.
Brother. Where is he? His car is parked outside. Where could he have gone to? Where is my brother? Where is the king?
The king should be inside. His car is here.
That's what I'm saying. He's not inside. Where is he?
Please call him out now.
The number is not going. That bastard must have taken my brother away. What were you doing? What were you doing when Chetashi came here and kidnapped my brother?
Nobody came here to kidnap the king.
That's because you're dumb. All you do is eat, sleep, wake up and defecate. But pray I find my brother. If not, you will not live to tell the story.
They are coming. They are coming for you. She's coming with the police to arrest you. You have to leave now.
Let's go. What about you? Let's go.
I said go!
Go in there. Search everywhere. Arrest any living thing you see. Be it male or female, cockroach or ant. Arrest them. Lock them up until my brother is found.
Nobody. At all. Madam, nobody is found.
What? Those idiots, they might be hiding under the bed, ceiling. Bust them out. Shoot if they tries to run.
Madam, like I say, we found nobody in there.
Kosi! If you can hear me, tell your lunatic sister to release my brother. She should release him, or else I will send her back to prison. Both of you will rot in jail if anything happens to my brother. I promise you that you will never see the sky again.
Madam, please calm down. Nothing will happen to your brother. We will look for a way and get your brother back, okay? Please.
Hey! Yetachi!
Every charm has an expiring date. Today marks the end of your charms and manipulations. You are in my cage now. There is no escape for you anymore.
How did I get here? What did you do to me? How did I get here?
Thank your chi, I do not want to kill you. That's the reason you're still alive.
No, you need to release me right now. Please. I have an important place to go. Please, I need to be there. I need to go back to the palace and go to that meeting. Please. I beg you with everything that you worship. Release me right now. Okay, whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Just tell me the amount. Please. Please.
I already know where you want to go to. You want to go to your evil altar, where you exchanged my destiny for yours. Today is the day you're supposed to renew your ritual, right? Deny it. Deny it!
Yes, I agree. I used your star. I exchanged your destiny for mine. But I'm sorry about that, please. You need to untie me, please. I do not want to go back to poverty. I don't want to run mad. Please, I beg you, release me. Alright. Let's go into negotiation. How much do you want? I'm ready to give it to you. Any amount.
I do not want anything from you. All I want is for my star to be restored. You remain here till the cock crows. In 20 minutes from now, you'll run mad. My star will be restored and the yoke will be broken. What a day to be alive.
Chitachi, shoot me. Kill me and let me die. I do not want to go through the torture of running mad. I do not want to experience poverty. So it is better you kill me here and now. You have neutralized my powers. So, shoot me! Chitachi, shoot me!
You know what? Death is not meant for men like you. Men like you deserve to go through the life of pains and agony. Your sister is out there, searching all over the place for you with the police. I'm going to call her right now and tell her where you are, that you're about to run mad.
No! 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 Come on. Time. Let's go.
What is it? Are you okay? Brother, what is it?
Who are you?
I'm Goma, your sister.
Huh?
Yes.
My enemy.
No, I'm your sister.
No, my enemy. Hey, do.
No, I'm your sister.
My enemy. I killed my enemy. I killed my enemy. My enemy. I killed my enemy. My enemy.
Young lady, your star has been restored to you as Ochendu could not renew the ritual. What else do you want?
I want you dead. You do not deserve to live. I'm here to ensure that you're not able to perform such wicked rituals again. How can someone work so hard for many years to be successful, and then you end up transferring that person's wealth to some lazy ass all in the name of money ritual?
Money ritual has been existing before you were born, and you are too little to do anything about it. Now, go home! Go home and enjoy your wealth before I turn you to an animal of my choice.
Really?
Obelensi! Kagayogu! Anuki Vekambo! Anumborokude Jono! It takes sincerity for a rat to challenge a white cat to a fight. You have the guts to come to my shrine to challenge me. I will destroy you the way I destroy everyone that dares Okedibia.
I can't bear this anymore. I can't bear this body anymore.
Kawai! Kaka! Kawai! I am your king. I am your king, I told you. Take it.
Hey! I suffered to thread this treatment. I warned you, but your greediness will not allow you to say the truth. Tell your brother he's doing evil. Ejo, he continued doing evil, and we're supporting him. Tell the emperor that this is it. My only son, mad. I love Popo. My only daughter, blind in one eye.
Kawai!
Hey!
I told you. I will be your king. I will be your king. Yes, I am your king. Kawai! Obunigwe. Atasa. Kawai! To.
Dimpa mmadụ dị akpala mmadụ na-apụ ala. Hey!
They are coming. To. Kawai! I am your king.
Sister, I'm thinking of starting something small for myself.
Greetings, young ladies.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You must be Chetachi Umuna, right?
That's my name, any problem?
My name is Miss Glorious Adebe, and here with me,
Officer Peter.
We are from Softel Logistics Company. We've been looking for you for the past 1 week.
Everywhere.
But thank God that someone directed us to this place. Good to meet you again, ma.
What is it? What do you want from me?
It's been discovered that the containers which the firearms was found wasn't yours.
Yes.
They did not belong to you.
Yes.
There was a mistake somewhere. You were wrongly accused, arrested and jailed.
Yes.
But those who were involved in this terrible mistake have been arrested and sued to court.
Yes. All of them.
But there is good news for you. The government have decided to reward you by releasing all your containers and your properties to you.
Yes.
My God! The government have decided to compensate you. And all your accounts have been unfrozen.
Yes. All.
Hey!
Sister!
All your accounts.
Sister, you're back to your glory. Thank you, Jesus.
The yoke has been broken.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Hey!
Hey!
This is real.
Not true.
Not true. Sister,
Curse you.
Sister Jemego.
Ah, my glory don't come back. Oh, my glory don't come back. Oh, my glory don't come back. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Hey! My star is back. My name. I'm seeing my name. All over the place.
Chikwado, that was what happened. We were under duress in everything we did. He even forced us to swear by the offer of Ohofia that we will crown him and pay allegiance to his rule. And you know what that means? That is the problem we are facing. But in all this, we believe that the gods of Ohofia will intervene. And today, the gods of Ohofia is intervening. And you are going to be crowned the king of Ohofia.
What kind of desperation is that? And one of you should have whispered it to my ears. There is no oath sworn under duress that cannot be broken.
My son, you will not understand. You will not understand. What we passed through, it was terrible.
Hey! That boy is very desperate.
It's okay. It's time to perform the tradition.
Ohafia,
Chikwado, come and take your crown.
No.
No. We are going to give him Eze Agujiegbe 1
Talk all
for
day.
Ohofia Kingdom. Bring your hand here. That's good. By the power vested on me as the traditional prime minister of Ohofia Kingdom, I hereby crown you Eze Agujiegbe 1 of Ohofia Kingdom. My son,
no.
This is the offer of Ohofia. You will go wherever you are going with this offer. You will use the offer to scare your enemies away. Take it. Napomia.
I got to be at these things.
I'm not get you. I'm a see here. I'm a see here. I go get cable.
My elders are with you. Our people always say, Anazo is Azo. When a man forces himself to a position where he does not belong, he will be forced out of that position by the gods. We will join the rest of us. Let the party begin.
You know, it feels good to be back. Not just back and better. Everything that I lost is back. I want to use this medium to apologize to my barber for accusing him wrongly. You know, sometimes the universe, they use the wrong face to pass the right message to us. What I would have done is, I would have sought for answers after having that dream. Not going to another barbing salon to barb my hair. Thank God, like I said, everything I lost is finally back. We should be strong in whatever religion we believe in. We should keep our hands clean and stay away from evil. Live a good life. We will smile at the end of the day. My Baba, I hope you forgive me for accusing you wrongly.
I've forgiven you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Cheers to more success, long life and prosperity. In Jesus' name. Amen. Cheers.
I can't bear this anymore. I can't bear this body anymore. I have lost everything I worked for. To the end of wicked ones, I must take what's belongs to me back. I must take it. I must take a more. I must take what's belongs to me back. I must take a more. My destiny. I must take what's belongs to me swept. I must take a more. My destiny. I must take what's belongs to me back. I must take a more. Nobody seems to understand me, but I must fight to take back